bastard healed. Okay, it's all clear. Good thing I just turned that light on. Hello? Everybody out there? Jammed! Oh my god. I'm gonna die, am I? I'm gonna die. I can't breathe. Claustrophobic. Kitty cat, I'm allergic. Wait. Does owls allergic to cats? At least I could try to be friendly to him. Hello, kitty. The name's Owl, and I know you may not know me, but I may talking like a sound owl who can speak and understanding. But you can... Stop it. You just... Wait. Hey, where are you going? Okay, cute little strange kitty. Hey. I was wondering if you could just show me the way out so I could just get back to my friends. I mean, they really need me if... I don't think they're in here, but I was wondering if I need your help. I just need some answers to understanding. If I can find a way to exit out of this mess. Oh, you're gonna lead me the way? Okay, sure.
Snake Eyes, get your pencils out of my face! Or get your tongue out of my fingers!
Alright, so how far are we? It's been like for a couple of miles for all these years. I don't know, Dark Pentagar. I mean, we can't be this long just to be disguising ourselves like some wild animals.
Both of me scrumpy. There's lots of more people down there. Why am I being so short? I mean, I'm a human too. We all Vikings are humans.
Yeah, and apparently you're short.
Hey, Scott, Dark Pentagar called you short. Well, ow, what is that for? That's for calling me short. I didn't call you short. Dark Pentagar calls you short. Ow, what did you slap me?
That's for punching me for not me calling you short, but Dark Pentagar was right. Maybe you are short.
I want some butt to me on
Oh,
me.
Did we trip something?
I think it's wet in here. Dark too. Why is the ground so squishy? Just get the heck out of the bag. Get me off of this territory.
You know, I'm sick of you trying to keep punching me and slapping me at the same time.
Well, I thought that was you saying that.
Why would it be me?
Because on the bright side, you loved it.
What? What are you talking about?
Well, I really thought that was you. I thought that was Foolish Dino or you or Dark Pentagar. That's what I said. Dark Pentagar. I did say that. No, you did not. Yes, I did. You freaking very old muttbag. How dare you? You try to disrespect the Viking himself. I'm Scott from Scotland of the Irishes, and now you want to disrespect me. You and your ugly looking old 5 fingers of a human hand. Hey, first off, they are brand new. I got new limbs right now, okay? So deal with it. Oh, I'll take your one in action.
Brother, you shut up! If I hear one more peep out of you two, things could get a lot of threatening, smothering worse, and we can't work it together to stop the shard, including the Guardians.
Why, what'd you make us?